distance between 2 points in a plane. Now let A and B be 2 points in plane or space. The rectangular Cartesian coordinates if the rectangular Cartesian coordinates of 2 points, let it be of 2 points A and B with position vector A and vector B relative to the origin B x1 comma y1 comma z1 and x2 comma y2 comma z2 respectively. Then this was a simple statement. Then what we are having, then we can write it vector AB is equal to, now vector AB will be vector OB minus vector OA. Now basically what it is, position vector of B minus position vector of A, or this can be written as vector B minus vector A. Okay. Now vector R, then vector R is equal to vector B minus vector A. Vector R, now we can write it B and A. So it will be, this is for B, x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap followed by negative of vector A, x1 I cap y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. Is it clear? Or we can write this as x2 minus x1 with I cap, y2 minus y1 with j cap, z2 minus z1 with k cap. AB square is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Required distance between 2 points.